Okay, I just have such a hard time enjoying such incredible, magical frickin' beauty without sharing it, but at the same time I'm in a hurry. So, whatever, let's just take a quick walk, and yeah, I guess you can enjoy some of this beauty with me. Yeah. So I'm taking a sabbatical. This is my only opportunity to have a couple days where I could just take care of myself, which I badly needed, being that, I've been working a lot. I've had a couple breaks. That was when my mom died, and then when I got another brain and back injury at work. So other than that, that's been my only time off, and then trying to build my life and business and art and this and that. So I've been working full time and getting ready to get busier here again this summer. So I decided to take my own advice and use this time to take care of myself. The rest of the weekend I wasn't going this fast. The only reason I'm doing this now is because I'm actually on my way home, and I just wanted to drive up here to check it out, to see if, I should come here next time. And that's a definite yes. But because I don't have a whole lot of time today, my trip back is the only reason I'm racing, because I believe if you're in a hurry, you're in the wrong place. Wow, these roots. But, whoa. Yep. But yeah, we're on a destination here. We're gonna get somewhere pretty incredible. It's a little less than a mile away. So yeah. So I went camping. I went back to the forest where we were a year ago today, running for our lives and hiding from people. I feel that the magic of the forest and nature healed us, or helped us. And man, I gotta slow down. And I felt that I wanted to replace the fear-based energy. Alright, well, how crazy is that? The universe made me take a break because the batteries just died. So, crap, what was I saying? Yeah. So, I felt, as a responsible caretaker of the earth, that we had left some negative fear-based energy behind in that magical place. And I thought that it was time for me to not, number one, heal the trauma by going back, two, replace it, transform it with cleaner energy, and three, have me time and take care of myself. Wow. So, aw, so gorgeous. Yeah. Wow. Olympic Peninsula, man. What could be more gorgeous than this? everywhere, anytime. You can see like 5 waterfalls in a day. I'll get a picture on the way back as I'm blabbing. Anyways, yeah, so I'm taking my own advice while taking care of myself. And if I make it to where I'm running to right now in time and get back, then I'll be able to get into the hot springs, sulfur hot springs, and maybe if I really race, even get a massage. And that's my goal. Because why? Because I deserve it. And so do you. Like, when is the last time you've patted yourself on the back? So, most of the best camping here is free. I know you think, oh, where do you get the money to do this? I don't have money for that. It's free. Pack your food, pack your coffee. Besides, you're going to have to because you can't just go to the corner store anyways. And pretty simple. Anyone can enjoy themselves for free. I mean, I have a national park pass. White National Forest is free. Then there's a Discovery Pass, which opens up a whole another world of free access to healing. People come from all over the world to come specifically here and in the springs. People with chronic, life-threatening diseases, etc. They say that it heals them, so I guess we'll see. Yeah, I'm excited. Yeah. Race, race, race. Don't you want to just roll around in the soft ground, the mossy trees? Oh man. Yeah, I'm pretty blessed. I should stop blabbing, I guess. Maybe I should upload this as like an update video. So update, what else is going on? I'm working. I got a couple new clients. Branched out a little bit. Doing what I can when I can. I finally emptied my storage unit. For those of you on Facebook already know, it was on the island. And I got that taken care of. I wasn't able to sell anything significant, so I decided to turn my little tiny home into a storage unit / museum. So I'll show that to you one of these days. Yep. Oh, there's trunks and roots. I got water drops. It's raining a little bit. Let me wipe the lens. Alright. Look at that. The colors, everything. I don't know. It's funny when people tell me I'm a good photographer, and I'm just like, you don't understand. I'm just pushing a button. This is just nature. Like, I didn't do anything, but just like this, push a button, click. Yep, that's it. I can't take credit for this. It's crazy. I mean, okay, so maybe some of my artsy photos, okay, or funky, whatever, if they grab you, the mood or whatever. Okay, that's cool. I created that, but shoot, I didn't do anything. I was just in the right place at the right time, the right lighting, the right weather conditions, the right moment. You know, you can't plan any of that. In fact, yeah, so technically, since I'm a licensed business owner, photographer, whatever, this is an expense tax, whatever, write-off trip thing, because I'm hunting for new product. And I did get some, but it's funny because I always come, everything I do, you know, I have a vision and I want things to go my way. Or, you know, I'm going to this certain beach because I expect to have this type of photo, or this forest and I want that. And thankfully, I never get what I want. I mean, really, and thankfully, because what I think I want is so limited based on what I think I know. And what I think I know is only based on my limited experiences. So what if there's something more in places you weren't looking? So my point is, I didn't get anything I wanted, but what I got was way better. So, yay. And that's like part of the magic I try to teach, is being in the innocence and the openness and allowance and surrendering to that which is greater, bigger, smarter, wiser than you. Yeah, it exists, believe it or not. Look at the forest as proof. Okay. So, yeah, I did not get exactly what I thought I wanted, but I got something way better. And along with that, insights, of course, that, yeah, I wish you could see everything I see, but I'm doing my best to show as much as I can as fast as I have to go. This camera seems to be way more steady than the cell phone. The cell phone I'm barely like tiptoeing and it's like rawr, rawr. Look at that. Excuse me. Yep. Well, maybe I'll end it here. I'll show you what I get later. Hopefully not too much further. Yeah. So, be careful what you wish for, right? You've heard that. Because we can only wish for things based on what we've already experienced. So, what if there was something greater than that? Yeah. Oh, I guess I have another little update. I was selected Artist of the Month at the gallery. And so this weekend, I guess I'll be a featured artist in the art walk and show some new stuff. And I met a killer custom framer, awesome warrior sister. She's just, I can't wait to get to know her more, but she has the most amazing frames and creating her own things, and we're going to kind of team up, and she'll frame my photos. So for people who want framed photos, you know, have a place, and I'll be sharing some of them with you soon. Facebook, what's it called? Frozen Moments, P-H-R-O-Z-E-N, Fro, P-H-R-O, as in short for Aphrodite, Zen Moments photo on Facebook. And yeah, wow, I'm in Jurassic Park, dude. Incredible. So yeah, you can check out there my photos or Facebook. What's it called? Facebook, Christie Aphrodite. And yeah, look forward to seeing you there. Okay, so this is what I was running for to make it on time so that I could go hopefully make it on time to get a massage and go in the hot springs. I'm on the bridge. Yep, here we go. Wow, dude. Holy crap. How do you get more amazing than this? It's intense. Yep. Yep, so that's what I was in a hurry for. And I'm glad that I was able to fit every single thing in. And now I can lollygag on the way back, knowing that how long it took me to get here and how long it'll take me to get back. Yay. Wow, look at this. Holy smokes. Whoa. I have to admit that bridge was slightly intimidating. It's a log. Yeah, and the lens is getting wetter and wetter. Wow. It's like a mini Niagara Falls, but we're so much closer, so I feel the force. Yeah, time to wipe the thing. Wow, isn't it just magical? I think I gotta, wow. Holy crap. Wow. Wow. Yeah, oh man, look at the people out there at the rock. Well, there's no people now, but would they climb down on a rope from that log? Made all the little rock towers. You can't safely get there. What the? Dude, I want to hang out with them. Don't you want to be on that big old rock in the middle of that building rock towers? Hell yeah. I'm gonna figure it out. Oh, maybe the rock's over there, but yeah, I don't see why you can't take a rope from that log. Whoa, but you can't fucking miss. And the rocks are slippery, and so are the logs. How do I know? Yeah. Well, this is Solduck Falls in the Olympic I don't know, national park. Yep, I want to go there. See, don't you want to hang out with them? Who did that? Wow. Yeah, alright, well, thanks for joining me. Have a good day.